We've got a really nice sunset underway across parts of the area. This is a live look in Van Buren off towards the west along Interstate 40. This from the Lee Creek Road exit out there. Not a bad evening at all. Feels okay. Temperature wise, we're relatively comfortable. 84 is the number in Fort Smith. Not bad, but well above normal for this time of the year. The normal high in Fort Smith is 77. We've been far outpacing that. In the Northwest Arkansas area, 71 the current temperature, 72 is the actual normal high temperature. The clouds in Northwest Arkansas help to keep those numbers a little bit lower today, but that's going to come to an end by tomorrow. Saw a few spotty showers across Benton County today. Those have since pushed over into Carroll County near the lake, Eureka Springs, Beaver Community. A little bit of light rain there. It's going to fizzle out here shortly. Will be mostly quiet into the evening and overnight hours. A few clouds around the area while we're asleep with a little bit of fog developing early tomorrow morning. High pressure is going to build in. Our temperatures are warming up as a result. More sunshine on the way. Look at those afternoon highs. Low to mid 80s this year. Again, compared to the norm of 72 across Northwest Arkansas, we're way above that. Here comes some cooler weather though. Saturday and Sunday, we start to see those temperatures drop. Sunday likely the coolest day of the next several. But with that pattern change comes the potential for some strong to severe thunderstorms. The Storm Prediction Center has placed the entire area under what's referred to as a level 2 out of 5 risk for severe storms. All of Arkansas and a good chunk of East Oklahoma. Right now, there's a lot of uncertainty with regards to specific timing. And the timing of this cold front is going to dictate what kind of impacts and how widespread the rain may or may not be. I'll show you this nonetheless so we can kind of get a general idea, but I certainly wouldn't change or cancel plans just yet based off of this. There's a lot of computer models and they all have a little bit different idea of how things are going to shake out. Nonetheless, this is one that does a pretty decent job. 6 a.m. Saturday morning, we got some rain showers approaching the area. It does look like the second half of our Saturday is probably going to see more of these showers and these thunderstorms as that front stalls out right in our neck of the woods. So some of those will continue into the overnight hours Saturday into Sunday, but it does look like Sunday's probably going to be a pretty decent day as high pressure builds in, those winds out of the north, and it gets a little bit cooler. I'll go with a 60% chance of those showers and thunderstorms on Saturday. Sunday looks to be mostly dry. 1 or 2 sprinkles could linger over, but with that high pressure building in, we should see a decent amount of sunshine. Those northerly winds dropping our temperatures into the upper 40s for lows come Sunday morning. That's going to be cool. This cool down, though, doesn't necessarily last for too long as that high pressure builds in and stays put. At least for the first couple of days of next week, we'll see temperatures rebound back into those 80s by Monday and Tuesday. But coming up tonight on the 10-day forecast on the 10 o'clock news, I'll show you that I'm tracking a second cold front. That one could provide a nice reinforcing shot of some of these cooler temperatures.
So it actually stays?
It looks like we're trending in that direction. Yeah.
Okay.
That's a 10-day forecast you don't want to miss.
I'm going to be there.
Exactly.
You should be too.
That's right. Thank you, Scott.